These are the 5 best LEGO themes to invest into in 2023, in my opinion. Number 5, Harry Potter. The Harry Potter theme has a very solid track record of producing a lot of winners in retirement. In 2023, there will be a bunch of Harry Potter sets with a lot of potential for investing, such as sets that include the 20th anniversary gold minifigures and some of the Hogwarts classroom moments will, in my opinion, be some home run LEGO investments. However, since the Harry Potter theme was rebooted in 2018, I've been pretty underwhelmed with their returns in retirement. So, with Harry Potter sets, you do have to be relatively cautious before investing. But nonetheless, there are definitely some golden nuggets in this theme. Overall, Harry Potter is a very solid theme to invest into in 2023 because of its large fan base and solid track record of great returns. Number 4, LEGO Ideas. The LEGO Ideas theme has by far some of the most creative and unique sets of any LEGO theme, which is probably why LEGO Ideas sets, especially ones from licensed properties, have performed so well in retirement. Sets that are currently available like Central Perk, Seinfeld, and the Home Alone house have massive potential in retirement. This is because these sets are from older popular shows or movies like Friends and Home Alone, meaning a lot of AFOLs, adult fans of LEGO, will be buying up these sets in retirement since they grew up watching these classic shows and movies. Whenever nostalgia meets LEGO, usually results in a lot of gains in retirement. But when it comes to LEGO investing, this theme can be somewhat risky to invest in. Sets like the Apollo Saturn V and the Ship in the Bottle are sets that have been retired but later re-released by LEGO. This makes me incredibly nervous as a LEGO investor. I do not think investing into LEGO Ideas sets will make you a millionaire overnight, but the very creative and unique sets based on popular licensed properties makes LEGO Ideas a very solid theme to invest in during 2023 and beyond. Number 3, LEGO Star Wars. Star Wars as a LEGO theme has it all from a LEGO investing standpoint. It has a massive, passionate fan base with tons of AFOLs. It also has a lot of unique minifigures, which Star Wars fans go absolutely crazy over. Just the minifigures alone can propel Star Wars sets to insane gains in retirement. Also, Star Wars has an over 20-year track record of producing some of the best LEGO set winners ever. Out of every LEGO theme on this list, Star Wars sets are by far the most trendy. This is because new Star Wars shows are constantly coming out on Disney+. Shows like The Mandalorian and the Book of Boba Fett have launched retired sets that include Boba Fett to the moon. So when investing in LEGO Star Wars, it's very important to try and keep up to date with the latest shows that are coming out. However, with this theme, it can be rather hit or miss. This is because some Star Wars sets have been remade literally a billion different times. And since there are so many Star Wars sets available, a lot of the lesser popular sets just get left behind in retirement. So in other words, don't just randomly invest into any Star Wars set and expect to make money. In 2023, Star Wars sets like the Helmet Collection, UCS sets, and Battle Packs will most definitely make for some great LEGO investments. Number 2, LEGO Architecture. LEGO Architecture has a big advantage that other LEGO themes just don't have, which is that LEGO Architecture can appeal to anyone, even the unspeakables. Non-LEGO fans. This is because architecture sets are probably the best display pieces that LEGO currently makes. Literally, if an architecture set was on a CEO's desk, it wouldn't look out of place at all. That's how much of a great display piece they make. In addition to having a broad appeal to AFOLs and the unspeakables, architecture sets are very collectible, such as the LEGO Skylines. Because some collectors have to have every different city skyline set, has resulted in a lot of these sets chance to double and even triple in price just shortly into their retirement. However, there is a major pitfall for LEGO investors with architecture, which is that sets that have been available on shelves for 3+ years, like the New York or London skylines, have been terrible LEGO investments. This is because when architecture sets are available for 4 or even 5 years, they become severely overbought by LEGO investors. The sweet spot to pick up an architecture set for investment is usually around 1 to 2 years of being on shelves. For LEGO investing in general, you can hardly go wrong with architecture. Number 1, LEGO Brickheadz. In my opinion, LEGO Brickheadz is the single best LEGO theme to invest into in 2023 and will remain so for many years to come. With most LEGO themes like Star Wars or Harry Potter, it can be somewhat unpredictable to find which sets will do well as LEGO investments. But with Brickheadz, I believe it is down to a science to predict which sets will perform well in retirement. All you literally have to do is find Brickheadz from popular licensed themes like Star Wars, Harry Potter, or Disney. Then choose a popular character from those Brickhead themes. And boom! You have a winner. It's pretty much that simple. The reason why Brickhead sets have performed so consistently well in retirement is because they are just so collectible. Some people have to have every Brickheadz from a particular theme, like Star Wars, or even just every Brickhead in general. Also, Brickheadz have a very short shelf life, usually only being available for 1 to 2 years before retiring. The only thing I would caution you about when investing into Brickheadz are the non-licensed themes like seasonal and pets. This is because if you invest into these sub-themes, you are very likely to only get a fraction of the returns compared to licensed Brickheadz. Other than that, Brickheadz, particularly of licensed themes, pretty much print money in retirement. If you thought this video was helpful, consider subscribing for weekly LEGO investing videos.